the LED driver, quite small as you can see, this one, and the LED chip on its heatsink. Right, we're just testing the driver and the lamp, to which I've soldered, not without difficulty, a couple of wires. Now I have to lean over to the mains plug. Let's see what happens. Oh well, there you go. That's working. Well, I need to make an aluminium or metal of some kind. Aluminium will do. A holder thing for the support for the lamp. So here we are. Just chop that off of there. Robert's Rummage in Hastings High Street, 80p. Best way to buy aluminium. So I'll flatten out a piece of that and make the lamp's holder. Here we are, after some hammering and snipping with my bargain tin snips, again from Robert's Rummage. Nice piece of aluminium to work with. Now my plan with this, that's the heatsink on a little stand for the lamp that will be screwed onto there, to place that inside. Oops. Like that, and straighten it up. I think it's okay sort of up and down, and then line to have some magnets on the base. Have some magnets there so that I can move the thing around. Although some of this is magnetic. Some of it, including both the top and inevitably the base, are not. So I'm going to have to get a little piece of tin plate in there to form a magnetic base. When I say tin plate, I mean a piece of old steel can. So that's the next job. Well, the LEDs now fitted to the heatsink with the thermal cream between them, as you can see. Actually, I don't have to glue them. If I have them on top of this, they'll be fine. These are mild steel sheets, so if I put a small piece of mild steel sheet underneath in the lamp holder, it's not going to move around. Certainly okay until we get it in the right position and we can screw it. So that seems to be a plan. Okay, so let's go for a test. It's in there. So let's see what happens when I plug into the mains. There we are. Looks like plenty of light coming out of there. No condenser in there yet. So I'll switch off for a moment and go and get the lens. Well, this is the lens that came with the machine. I think it's the original. So I'll pop that in, switch the lamp back on and see what happens. And voila, it is projecting. Difficult to know how much light's coming out of there, but it's not bad, given that there's no condenser in there. I don't have the fan yet, so I won't keep it on too long, even though it's only a 10 watt lamp in there, 10 watt LED. But yeah, it's looking promising. Let's take that away and see. Yeah, even on the back wall it's causing a very definite defined shadow there, so Yeah, that's going to do the job. Just the 20 watt, 10 watt, 10 watt I think LED, yeah. With some calling, and the next thing is back to the thorny problem of the motor.